Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your fourth lesson of week number 6. Right? So, in today's class, we will be practicing the topic that we started in yesterday's class, that is ascending and descending order. So, tell me how many of you have revised the lecture at your home? Yes. How many of you have raised your hands? Very well done. Okay, so let's quickly revise what we did in yesterday's class and then we will do some practice exercise questions for that. Okay, so who is going to tell me what does ascending means? Yes, what does ascending means? Ascending means, yes, raise your hands. Okay, yes, Abdullah. Ascending means going up. Excellent. Going up. And who is going to tell me what does descending means? Yes, Sarah, there was a tip for that. Do you remember that? I gave you a hint to remember what does ascending and descending means. Do anybody remember that hint? D for descending and D for down, right? So descending means going down. Got it? Okay. And then we also discussed that in ascending, we write numbers from, we always started from the smaller number and then we move toward the highest one. But, and the case is opposite when we talk about the descending order. In the descending order, we started from the highest number and then we move toward the lowest number. Okay. So now, before starting the practice exercise in your book, there is this small activity for you that you are supposed to do. Here I am placing some boxes. Okay, let's make them a little smaller. Here I am making boxes for you, and the boxes are of different weight. Okay, so what you are supposed to do, this is for 5 kgs, this is for 15 kgs, this is of 10 kgs, and this is of 20 kg. Got it? Now, what is the assignment for you? That you are supposed to arrange these 4 boxes first in ascending order and then in descending order. Got it? You are supposed to arrange these boxes first in ascending and descending. Hurry up, do this on your notebooks and then tell me what are your answers. Yes. Start writing. Okay, you are done. Who is going to tell me what is the answer for ascending order? Yes. Yes, Elise. First, tell me what do we do in ascending order? We always start from the smallest number and then we move toward the highest one. So what is the smallest number in this case? It's 5 kgs. Excellent. What comes after that? 10, then 15, and the last one is 20. Excellent. And who is going to tell me how will we write in descending order? 20, then 15, then 10 kgs, and the last one is 5 kgs. Excellent. So this would be the order we will be following. Now in today's class, we will be doing some practice exercises from your book. But before doing that, I'm going to share the screen with you to show you an interesting video related to this. So show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you. It is excellent.
Ascending and descending order. I'm climbing the stairs. The numbers are going up. That is ascending order. Now let's see. 1 goes up to 2, to 3, to 4, and to 5. The numbers are increasing. Now let's see what is ascending order. Wow, it's difficult to climb the stairs down. The numbers are going down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5. Anna climbed the boxes down. Now Sarah is going down. 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was ascending order and descending order.
Okay, class. So you have seen a video related to that as well that have revised the concept for you. Now let's start the practice exercise which is in your book. Open your book, page number 27. This is page number 27 that we will be doing today. And the statement of the question says that write the numbers shown in ascending order. Okay, yet you are supposed to write them in ascending order. So by ascending, it means that you will start from the smallest number and you will move toward the highest one. So first one is already solved for you. I'll be solving the second one for you, and then you will solve the next two by yourself. Okay, so let's look at the second one. Okay, there are some beautiful grapes drawn in your book. I'll try to draw the same, but okay. And the numbers are 9. Okay, let's use the other color marker so that the numbers get visible for you. This is 9. Over here, 8, 4, 1, 6, and 5. Okay, these are the numbers, and you are supposed to write them in the form of, okay, you are supposed to write them in the form of ascending order. So hurry up, start writing. Tell me who is going to tell me what would be what would come on the first. Guess what would be the number. We will start from 1. Excellent. Then 4, then 5, very well done. 6, 8, and 9. Excellent. So the answer would be 1, comma 4, comma 5, 6, comma 8, comma 9. Very well done. So all of you are done with this? Excellent. Now do the next two by yourself and tell me what are your answers. Hurry up. Yes, who is going to tell me the answer of the third one? How will we write that? Which number will come on the first? 1, then 3, 4, 7, 8, and 9. Excellent. Okay. Now let's look at the last one, fourth one. How will we write that? What would be the order we will be following? We will start from 2, 3, no, not 9, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Excellent. Now turn the page. Open your book, page number 28. This page have exercise related to descending order. Okay. Now the first one is already solved for you. I'll be writing the next second one for you, and then you will do the next two by yourself. So let's see what are the numbers given in the second one. Okay. So the numbers are 2, 6, 4, 5, and 3. Okay, so tell me what is the order we follow in descending order. From where we will start? We always start from the highest number. So tell me, what is the highest number in this case? Yes. What's the highest number? It's 6. Excellent. Then what will come after that? 6, comma 5, comma 4, comma 3, comma 2. Excellent. Okay. Now do the next two by yourself and tell me what are your answers. Hurry up. All of you are done? Okay, who is going to tell me the answer of third one? Yes. What is the highest number? 10, comma 9, comma 8, comma 5, comma 4, and 2. Very well done. And what's the answer of the last one? 10, comma 8, then 6, 5, and 4. Very well done. Okay, so what we did, basically we practiced the number names, the numbers in the form of ascending and descending order. What do we do in ascending? We always start from the smallest number and then we move toward the highest one, and we do the opposite in descending order. We start from the highest number and we move toward the lowest one. And what is the hint or tip to remember that? That descending and down both starts with D. So descending means going down, and ascending would definitely mean then going up. Okay, so is there any confusion, any question? No? Okay, good. So that was all for today. And in tomorrow's class, you will be having a weekly assessment. So do revise whatever we have covered in this week. Basically, we covered 2 topics in this week, and you are supposed to revise that. So, and prepare yourself for the assessment. Share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.